Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today it's PGI day. So today we'll be unboxing some powerful machines. So with me here I have a Z Fold. I also have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I also have the S22 Ultra, the latest one. So today I'm so much interested with this device. It is a folding phone, Fold 3. It's a very unique machine, so I want to show you how this gadget looks like. Okay. Charger, plus the cable, and few things. Right, so let's keep this aside. First, I want to check how this device looks like. I want us to remove this paper together. So this is courtesy of Plan 3.0 PGI Season 2. So I want to power on this device. So premium. Let me smell it. It has a fingerprint right here. So let me put it on. So with this device, it has two screens. What's going on? Folding folds. Also see has an inbuilt in-screen camera. Kuna camera. There's a camera over there. So unaweza kutumia hii screen hapo mbele, hii screen hapo katikati. If you like real estate, so are you ready for the iPhone?